Hello everybody, welcome back to another paper. This is the 2021 O-Level Business and Accounting paper, paper 1, the MCQ paper, right? So here we have the MCQ paper. This is a short introduction to the paper, as I always do. Let's find out how the paper is structured, how it is given. So this is 2021, the latest O-Level paper that you have out of all the past papers. This is the latest paper. This is the last year paper. That's why, children, it is mentioned here 2021, 2022. It is mentioned as 2021, 2022. See? 2021, 2022. Why is that? Why it's mentioned as 21 and 22? Because the COVID and the other issues in the country, the unfortunate situation we had to face, the 2021 O-Level examination was postponed, right? The 2021 exam was postponed. It was not held in 2021. It was held in 2022, right? And this is the first paper, Business and Accounting, paper 1. You have 1 hour, not 3 hours, okay? 3 hours are mentioned for both papers. That is for 1 hour for this and 2 hours for the paper 2, second paper, altogether 3 hours. For this paper, you get 1 hour, right? You have 40 questions to answer, all MCQs, and starting with question number 1, the first 5 questions are based on this case. All right, first 5 questions are based on this case. Normally a case is given a short, very simple story type case like this. See, this case you have to use to answer questions number 1 to 5. All right, so we have, starting from question number 1, based on the case, based on the information given in the case. All right, okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 questions from the case. Continues, the paper continues from the 6th question. All are business studies questions up to the question number 16. Up to the question number 16, all are business study questions. All right. Yep, that's it. That's right. From question number 16 onwards, that means 17, 18, 19, up to 40, all the questions are from the accounting part. All the questions are from the accounting part. That is why in our first video, we finished the first 16 questions. And then in another video, we take 17th question upwards, right? Then we have 17, 18, up to 30th question we cover in the second video. Up to 30th question we cover in the second video, right? 1 to 16 in the first video, then 17 to 30 in another video, 30 to 40 in another video. So 3 videos for the first paper. 30 to 40, why do we take a separate video of separate session? Because 30 to 40, most of the time, the last accounting lessons are taken to form the questions from question number 31 to 40. See, manufacturing production cost, manufacturing production cost statement, questions from that lesson. Then we have questions from non-profit organizations, right, and financial statements of a business with adjustments, right. This is from question number 35 to 40. They are saying 35 to 40. They are saying to answer using the trial balance and the adjustments, right, additional information. So the trial balance and the additional information is given in relation or related to financial statements of a business, and you have to answer 35 to 40 out of these. So many children say that, sir, the last 5 questions, it's too difficult, it's too complicated. No. There are ways to do shortcuts, systems and methods that will make it easy for you. We are going to discuss all that. We will discuss all that. No worries, okay? So 35 to 40 from the financial statements, including adjustments. Likewise, children, you have to answer all 40 questions in the MCQ paper. You'll get 1 mark for each question. 1 mark for each question. 1 mark for each question, right? Yeah, so 40 questions, 40 marks. Let's earn all the 40 marks and go for an A, shall we? Yeah, with the marks of the second paper. Second paper has 60 marks. This one from the first, you can get 40. All right, shall we? Let's start with the first question. So, like I said, like I explained, it's the question time. Starting with the first question. Hello. What is the first question? Well, they say to answer the question number 1 to 5, answer the questions number 1 to 5, paying attention to the case, the given case. This is the case. An educational program on Let's Prevent Dengue was conducted at Dumbara Mahavidyalaya with the human resources of Dumbara Regional Hospital. Okay. So the program is called Let's Prevent Dengue. Okay. So educational program is conducted under the topic Let's Prevent Dengue. This is the heading or the topic, the name given to the program. So it was conducted in Dumbara Mahavidyalaya. It was conducted in Dumbara Mahavidyalaya. Conducted by Human Resources of Dumbara Regional Hospital. Okay. So all the things, the entire mission has been conducted by Dumbara Regional Hospital. Okay. Pradeshika Rohala. It's a small hospital in Dumbara area. It was conducted at Dumbara Mahavidyalaya. Not also the hospital staff, police station and thrift and credit cooperative society also has taken part. The Dumbra police station, the policemen and thrift and credit cooperative society of the area. You know what is thrift and credit cooperative society? Do you know? Do you know what is thrift and credit? What is the meaning of thrift and credit cooperative society? Yeah, you know the, well, it's like Samupakara Nayadena Samitiyak. That is what we call in Sinhala. In the area, you know, Samupakara, people go to Saupakari, you know. People say that in Sinhala. Saupakara. It's not Saupakar, it's Samupakar. That is what they have given here. And the financial sponsorship of Gamunu. Oh my god, there's another guy. That guy's name is Gamunu. Sounds like a name of an elephant. Gamunu. Okay, financial sponsorship has been given by Gamunu, owner of Gamunu Rubber Products. Okay. Rubber products business, right? Nice. And his employees. The students and teachers and parents of Dumbra Mahavidyalaya and Madalanda Vidyalaya participated in that program. No problem. So many things to consider, huh? Question number 1. What is the human need satisfied by the awareness program conducted on Let's Prevent Dengue in the above case? What is the human need? Now they are asking for the need, children, not the want. They are asking for the need. Alright, needs are the basic essential requirements that must be satisfied in order to survive. Yeah, the basic things. Then the 5 basic needs are, you know, what am I doing? I don't need to mention these things here. You have to know. Alright, by now you should know what needs are. Tell me the 5 basic needs. Come on. What am I doing here? I'm like teaching you the lesson. No, we are doing a paper. What are the 5 basic needs? 5 basic needs, come on. No need to think. Yes, you can't be wondering now. You can't be like, 5 basic needs. No, you can't do that. Food and water both. Food and water both is included in food. You can't say water again. Food and water. Clothing, shelter, health and education. The 5 basic needs. There are 3 other needs. Altogether 8. Okay. It's transportation, communication, entertainment. Need satisfied by Let's Prevent Dengue program. Is it health? Health and education. These are the, included in the 5 basic needs. Education. Awareness program. Security? No, I don't think so. Security, not security. Entertainment. Is it entertainment? They play a DJ and they start dancing in the evening. No. Well, we can cut off these two. Right? Wait. Can cut off these 2, children. We can cut off these 2. Which 2? Cut off this and this. Then we are left with health and education. Now see, educational program, they have said right at the beginning. See, right at the beginning of the paragraph, they have said educational program on Let's Prevent Dengue. It's an educational program. Okay, people are people are getting educated by these programs. So you can't take health. You have to take education. Most of the children that came to me with this paper, this is the last year paper. Don't you know this? This is the last year paper. This is the latest paper that we have, the 2021 paper now. Most of the children came and told me, sir, I did the paper. Sir, this is how I marked the answers. I brought you the paper. Sir, just check and give me, will you? Whether the 40 answers are correct, sir. How many wrong, sir? The very first one was wrong. Most of the children, they have marked health. Yeah, most of the children. Less attention to the program, not to the program. Less attention to the case. Okay, they say that it's an educational program right here. See, oh my God, in vain. Second question. Oh, we have the case here, children. We have the case right here. Okay, the same case. And under the case, the next question is given. An example for an internal environmental factor of Dumbra Mahavidyalaya. Example for an internal environmental factor. That means inside the business, internal environment. Owners, tell me internal environmental factors. Tell me. Don't waste time. Internal environmental factors. Come on. No. Customers are not internal. Owners, managers. Yeah, owners, managers, employees, right? Owners, managers, and employees. Internal environmental factors. Example, they are asking for internal environmental factors. Students and the teachers of Dumbra Mahavidyalaya. Students and the teachers of Dumbra Mahavidyalaya. Example for an internal environmental factor of Dumbra Mahavidyalaya. Okay, Dumbra Mahavidyalaya, no, they're asking about Dumbra Mahavidyalaya. Right. No problem. Students and teachers of Dumbra Mahavidyalaya, that seems okay. Just in case, let's check the rest. The students and the parents of Dumbra Mahavidyalaya. No, when they say parents, that is a parents you can't take as. No, parents you cannot take as an internal environmental factor. Who said? Parents are external to the school. So parents, you can cut it off. Students and teachers of Madalanda Vidyalaya. What the Madalanda is not in any way connected to Dumbra Vidyalaya. This is a separate school, so you can cut it off. Teachers of Madalanda Vidyalaya. No. Madalanda Vidyalaya is something else. So you have to take the first answer. That is the first answer. Yeah. Simple as that. Yeah. Students and the teachers of Dumbra Mahavidyalaya. They are the internal environmental factor of Dumbra Mahavidyalaya. Next. Again, the case is given with the question. Question is, a private sector business organization included in the above case. Private sector. Well, private sector means the private sector, no, not the government sector. Yeah, public sector is the government sector, not the government sector, the private sector business is Dumbara Regional Hospital. No, it's a government hospital. No. It's not a private sector business. Thrift and Credit Cooperative Society. Thrift and Credit Cooperative Society. You know, one day when I was teaching this lesson, right? One of my students, a girl, asked me, "Sir, cooperative means samupakare, no? Samupakare." I said, "Yes, samupakare." Cooperative to buy goods. So they have retail goods also, sir? I said, yes, they have retail goods. They have samupakara velanda. That is called samupakara velandasala. In some places. Yeah, so what? Cooperative. No, I said no, don't say cooperative. So it's cooperative. Cooperative. Yeah. Thrift and Credit Cooperative Society. Should be a dash in between here. Cooperative Society. Dumbara Mahavidyalaya. No, that is a government school. Dumbara Police Station, that is also a government organization. Answer is Thrift and Credit Cooperative Society, because cooperative societies come under the private sector in the business organizations categorization according to ownership. Yep. Cooperative societies come under the private sector in the categorization of business organizations according to ownership. Yeah. Cooperative societies come under the private sector. Can you remember? Third lesson in your grade. It's 10, yeah. Yeah, of course. The previous syllabus, you should know these things now. By now. Thrift and Credit Cooperative Society. In the third lesson, we discussed about bases. Bases used to categorize business organizations. Yes, ownership is only one base. What are the other two bases? There are three bases. Ownership, you look at the ownership and you consider ownership as the criteria, and you divide business organizations as public and private. Public sector business organizations, private sector business organizations. That is looking at the what base? Ownership, based on ownership. The next base, based on scale, otherwise size. Or you can categorize business organizations according to, by looking at what base? Ownership, scale or size, purpose or objective. Looking at the objective of the business organization. Then non-profit and profit organizations. Okay, this is Dumbara Regional Hospital, and that is a Dumbara Regional Hospital. That's a public sector business organization. Yeah, of course. Here also, when we talk about the Thrift and Credit Cooperative Society, I said according to ownership, it's a private sector organization. Private sector. According to ownership, okay. There are the two bases which are used to categorize organizations into groups. Group organization. Thrift and Credit Cooperative Society, that is what did I say in Sinhala? It's like ණය දෙන සමුපකාර ණය දෙන සමිතිය. සකසුරුවම් සහ ණය දෙන සමිතිය. That is the usual name in Sinhala. සමුපකාර ණය දෙන සමිතිය. Okay. This is of course in the private sector. Right? But if you select, or if you consider the purpose of business organizations, otherwise objective of business organizations, this is non-profit organization. This one. This one also a non-profit organization too. Dumbara Regional Hospital. This is also a non-profit organization because it's a government hospital, public sector. Yep. But Dumbara Regional Hospital is a drug manufacturing business. That is wrong. For profit. Just few seconds ago I said it's a non-profit business. So for profit organization, business organization, is it? No. Service providing organization. Private sector? No. So what is the answer here? It's a for-profit organization. Is it? No. It's a service providing business. Service providing business. It's a service providing business. Yeah. It's the Dumbara Regional Hospital, Pradeshi Rohan. Okay, some people, if you marked this answer, that is wrong. You know why? It's not a drug manufacturing business. No? All right, it's not a drug manufacturing business. It's a service providing business. Health care services are provided for free, non-profit, not for profit, by government sector hospitals. Next. Select the answer indicated an example for the production factor, entrepreneurship of the Gamunu rubber product. Business. Okay. Select the answer indicated which indicates an example for the production factor, entrepreneurship. You know what is entrepreneurship? Entrepreneurship. The most important factor of production out of the 4 factors. What are the 4 factors? Yeah, correct. Land, labor, capital, and enterprise. Land, labor, capital, and entrepreneurship. This one is the most important. Right? Answer which indicates an example for the production factor, entrepreneurship, of Gamunu rubber products. Rubber used for production, it's land. Money employed for business, that's capital. Land, labor, employees of the business. Come on. Which production factor is employees? Employees of the business. Which production factor is employees? Labor. This is the entrepreneur of the business, entrepreneurship. Gamunu, the owner of the business. That is the answer. Gamunu, the owner of the business. He is the example for the production factor, entrepreneurship. Next. Whoa. All right. Case is over. Next question, 6th one. Supun is conducting an electric bulbs manufacturing business. Threat to this business is? Supun is a guy. Supun must be a young guy. Yo, right? We don't care. Supun is conducting electric bulbs manufacturing. Not that I know of. I don't know of any business producing electric bulbs. This guy must be having a good knowledge on that. He is conducting electric bulbs manufacturing. A threat to the business. Okay, right. Threat. Skilled employees leaving the business. That is the first answer. Okay, threats. In which lesson? do we get strengths, weaknesses, opportunities and threats? In which lesson do we get these? Strengths, weaknesses, opportunities and threats. In which lesson do we get? First lesson, very first lesson. The SWOT analysis, that's right, the SWOT. SWOT. Strengths, weaknesses. Yeah. Opportunities and threats. The SWOT analysis, yeah. Opportunities and threats. These are the words of SWOT, the long form of SWOT. S is for strength, W is for weaknesses. These two, strengths and weaknesses, are in the internal environment. Okay, these two are in the internal environment. These two are in the external environment. Opportunities and threats, these two. These two are external. These two are internal. Inside the business, this is these opportunities and threats. Outside the business, right? So they are asking for internal or external. External, yeah. Threat, external. Asking for these threats. External negative factors, okay? Skilled employees leaving the business, that is happening inside the business. Increasing of demand for solar power bulbs. That seems okay. Not paying the installment of the bank loan obtained by the business. That is also inside the business. Not maintaining the financial statements of the business improper. That is also internal. Only factor or the only external factor we can find is increasing demand for solar power bulbs in the society. That is the threat. Next question. Ruan produces cane products in his house and sells them by going door to door. Is Ruan a millionaire? Is he a millionaire businessman? No. He's a door-to-door salesman. Keeps all the watties, petties and valve coolers and everything on his head, and he walks from house to house. Poor people struggling, startups, newly started, self-employed people, newly started things that they can earn some money. So Ruan is someone like that. He produces cane products, butter, well, cooler, petty, watty, those things. cane, cane products. We know. In his house and sells them by going from door to door. It's not a very easy thing to do, huh? It's not a very easy thing to do, is it? Cane product in his house, going door to door. One is a fixed large-scale retailer. No, fixed large-scale retailers means supermarkets, big large-scale retail shops. Fixed small-scale retail trader. No, cut it off. We can cut off these two. Fixed large-scale, no. Fixed small-scale, no. Mobile small-scale wholesale trader. Mobile is a mobile. Well, you can pronounce it anyway. Mobile small-scale wholesale trader. No, not a wholesale trader. Mobile small-scale retail trader. Sorry. That is the answer. That is the answer. Okay? Mobile small-scale retail trader. He's not a wholesaler. No. 7th question done. Next question. Which of the following is not an economic environmental factor affected to business? Interest rate is an economical environmental factor. Economic environment. Interest rates. Foreign exchange rate. Yeah. Inflation rate. Yeah. Literacy rate. That is not an economic environment. No, it's literacy. Literacy means the ability of people to read and write, the educational level. Literacy rate. That is not an economic environmental factor. Next, Gayan purchased his air ticket and paid using a Bank of Ceylon debit card. Okay. To do this transaction, Gayan should have paid using a Bank of Ceylon, BOC, debit card. A credit card of Bank of Ceylon. No any account in Bank of Ceylon. A fixed deposit with a cash balance equivalent to the amount spent in the bank. A savings account with a cash balance equivalent to the amount spent. This is the answer, children. It's easy. I have told you these things. A debit card is given. A debit card is given for a savings account holder, not to a fixed account, fixed deposit. No, for fixed deposits you do not get electric cards. For fixed deposits, FDs, wallet, ATM cards, electric cards, no, not given. So a fixed deposit with a cash balance equivalent to the amount spent, no. A savings account with a cash balance should be there to purchase his air ticket. Next, 10th question. A licensed commercial bank operated under a license issued by Central Bank of Sri Lanka is a licensed commercial bank operated under a license issued by Central Bank, CBSL. Central Bank of Sri Lanka. You don't know the Central Bank of Sri Lanka? No? You don't know? Go through your purse, the wallet, take out your cash, money notes, and check who has printed the money notes. A licensed commercial bank operated under a license issued by Central Bank. State Mortgage and Investment Bank. State Mortgage and Investment Bank. National Savings Bank. Sanasa Development Bank. People's Bank. What is the licensed commercial bank out of these? answers. Out of these answers, what is the licensed commercial bank? Oh no, do you know? You should know. The licensed commercial bank is not, it's not the State Mortgage and Investment Bank, not National Savings Bank, it's a savings bank. Sun is a development bank, it's a development bank. It's the People's Bank. The licensed commercial bank mentioned in this case is this People's Bank. Okay. Moving on. There's a case again. There's a case again. Cases everywhere. Going through the cases is the fair. Answer the questions number 11 and 12 using the following case. Pierre was slightly injured by an accident while he was traveling by a rented trishaw. Oh my god, trishaws. Okay. I know. Trishaws are like that. He was injured. Yeah, the way they are going, it's good if you stay alive. When you are going in a trishaw, if you crash, if you meet with an accident. So luckily Pierre was slightly injured. He has survived by a accident while he was traveling by a rented trishaw. At the same time, the owner who drove the trishaw informed his insurance company, Sri Lanka Insurance Corporation Limited, about this accident and short message about this accident via a short message SMS using the mobile phone. Okay, let's underline the key points. Pial was injured. Okay. He was traveling by a trishaw. Accident. By an accident, okay? By an accident. Next important thing. Owner of the trishaw informed insurance company. Right? Using his mobile phone. It's mobile, not mobile. Mobile phone. By sending a SMS. Okay, right. According to the above incident, select the answer that shows the first party, second party, and third party involved in insurance respectively. No, it's a simple thing. First party, second party, third party. Can you remember parties involved in insurance? First party, second party, third party. Can you remember? Can you? Oh, can you now? Really? That's good. First party. Oh, really? So you can remember now, huh? Very good. First party, second party, third party. Who is the first party involved in insurance, in an insurance agreement? Who is the first party? The insured. Second party, insurer. Third party, any person or property who is not involved in the agreement, insurance agreement, but affected by the incident. Now this guy he was not walking on the road. He was not walking. He was going on a trishaw, rented trishaw, tuk-tuk. You know, you call a pygmy or a Uber, taxi, and you get into tuk-tuks, no? Tuk-tuks everywhere in the country you go, you get tuk-tuks. This guy has taken such a vehicle, a tuk-tuk. Okay, it's not his tuk-tuk. He was going while see here. While he was traveling by a rented trishaw. My God, so that is the part you should really concentrate. Traveling by a rented trishaw. Trishaw is the insured property. Trishaw owner who drove the trishaw, tuk-tuk owner, that guy is the owner of the property. So he's the insured guy, insured person. Insurer is insurance corporation, the company, Sri Lanka Insurance, the company, insurer. Third party is PR. He's not involved in the insurance. Yeah. So slightly injured by an accident. He was traveling by a rented trishaw. At the same time, owner of the trishaw informed his insurance company, Sri Lanka Insurance Corporation. Okay. Go to the above incident, select the answer that shows first party, second party, and third party. Done. So we can cut off some answers. First party is the insured. PL is not the insured. PL was just traveling in that trishaw. Tuk-tuk. Insured party is the trishaw. Insured property is the trishaw. So first, if you see PL as the first party, that is wrong. That's the wrong answer. Second, number 2 answer, Sri Lanka Insurance Corporation Limited. That is the first party they have given as the first party. Second party, PL. No. Second party is not PL. So that is also wrong. Owner of the trishaw, okay. First party is owner of the trishaw. Second party, Sri Lanka Insurance Corporation. That is also correct. Sri Lanka Insurance Corporation. And PL, third party is PL. I think that's okay. Fourth answer, let's see. Owner of the trishaw, that is okay. Insured, owner of the trishaw. PL is the second party. No, that is wrong. Answer is third. Going on. PL was slightly injured by an accident while he was traveling by accident. At the same time, the owner of the trishaw. It's the same case. The 12th question is given under the same case. What is the communication medium of the short message used by the owner? No. It's a simple question. What is the communication medium? Now there are 4 mediums of communication: verbal, written, electronic, signs, and signals and signs and symbols. Yeah. So what is the communication medium of the short message, SMS, which was used by the owner to inform the accident? Electronic, verbal? No, he didn't talk. Verbal means talking. He didn't talk. Electronic, written. He used a phone, so it's electronic. Written, yeah, he typed a message. Yeah, letters. Letters means written. Sign, written. Electronic sign. Well, let's go to the case where we marked. At the same time, the owner who drove the trishaw informed his insurance company, Sri Lanka Insurance Corporation, about this accident via a short message using the mobile phone. Short message means he has typewritten. He has typewritten. So, answer to this question, communication medium, electronic written. Electronic written. Electronic written. Yeah. Yes. Elements of transportation and examples for them are given in the following. Elements of transportation, we have way, mode, power, terminal. Select the answer that above elements of transportation when they are matched with the examples. It's just a matching case. Let's match. Way, opening a fuel station with modern first. No. Opening the expressway from Mirigam to expressway. That is the way. Mode, mode means the vehicle. Huh? This is a fuel station. Fuel station is power. Fuel is power. Let's match that, right? Mode, opening the expressway, we have already matched way. Establishing a new railway station, that is terminal. Then this is D is the mode. Launching a luxury train service from Mount Lavinia. Okay, no problem. No problemo. A is matched with 3. B is matched with 1. C is matched with 4. D is matched with 2. So it should come as B, D, A, C. BDAC. Yep, the very first answer. BDAC. First is B. First is B. Okay. Second is D. Third is A. Fourth is C. Got it. That is it. Right. Going on. 14th question. Evaluating the sale of the year 2021 by the sales manager belongs to evaluating the sale. This is management. I have always told you evaluating, correcting, checking, those are which function of management? Planning, organizing, leading, or controlling? Controlling. This is controlling. Controlling, okay? Evaluating the sales of the year 2021 by the sales manager. It belongs to controlling, okay? Controlling function in the management process. And selling goods subjected to 5% discount in 2022 belongs to the marketing mix. Price. Selling goods means with a discount is price. Simple things, right? Select the answer that shows the correct terms to the places 1 and 2. 1 should be controlling, 2 should be price. Selling goods subject to 5% discount. Controlling and price. Controlling promotion, planning, price. Planning, promotion, controlling price. Here you go. Answer. Easy to select, right? If you know the keywords. See, these are the keywords for controlling, evaluating, checking, correcting errors. Those are controlling. Discounted prices always come under product price place promotion. Product price place promotion. Product price. Next question. Ranga invested 250 earned by him ordinary shares of a public. Earned by him from ordinary shares of a public limited company. He received 10,000 from the profit earned by that company. Ranga invested 250,000 earned by him, invested this money, okay, this much, invested this much, earned by him in ordinary shares, okay, in ordinary shares of a public limited company. Received 10,000 from the profit earned by that company. After that, he sold all the shares for 350. Bought for 250, sold for 350. That is nice. Select the answer that shows the correct terms for the returns. Ranga, They are just asking for the names. Select the answer that shows the correct terms. Correct terms for the returns that Ranga earned. 250,000 earned by Ranga, invested in ordinary shares, received 10,000 from the profit of the company, that is called dividends. Profit of the company, his share is given to him, dividends. But if he sold, we have dividends here, see. Okay, that is the only answer that has dividends. If he sold 250,000 worth of shares for 350,000, that is a capital gain. Second is the capital gain earned by Ranga. That is the answer. What is the source of investment that does not have a fixed rate of return? Oh, what is the source of investment that does not have a fixed rate of return? Fixed deposits has a fixed income, fixed interest. Treasury bills has a fixed income, interest. Savings deposits has interest. Ordinary shares, no. Right. Easy questions to end the paper. 16th question, children. This is the 16th question. We are ending all our papers, MCQ papers, paper 1, with the 16th question, from the 16th question. Because up to 16th question we have business studies. From 17th we have accounting questions. So with that, we end this one. I'm hoping to see you again. Not hoping, okay? I'm not hoping. I'm hoping from the 17th question until 30th, all accounting questions. Then 30th to 40th, all 40 questions we will do in the coming videos. Until then, be good, do your work. Work and play, both should be balanced. See you soon. Bye-bye.